Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Celie, and tonight we're having the biggest snowstorm ever. Okay, it's not the biggest snowstorm ever, but it's a pretty big snowstorm in Toronto. So I will show you outside right now, but it's gonna get worse. So this is outside right now. It's a pretty big snowstorm. The trees are full of snow. The road is full of snow. My cars are full of snow. My house is full of snow. Everything is full of snow. Like, this is crazy. It's like the biggest snowstorm. This is my first snowstorm this for 2025 this year. So it's pretty fun. And my birthday is coming up in 9 days, so I'm really excited about that. So yeah. Sorry guys, something fell. So stay tuned for other videos.